Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you how to add weight to your products in Shopify. A simple step, but absolutely essential if you want your shipping rates to be accurate and your fulfillment process to run smoothly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where and how to enter product weights and package details, making sure your store is set up for reliable shipping, no matter if you're mailing a Featherlight t-shirt or a hefty ceramic vase. Let's get started right at your Shopify dashboard. First, you'll want to click on Products in the sidebar. This is your master list of everything you're selling. Now you can either add a brand new product right here, but to keep things straightforward, let's work with an existing product for this walkthrough. Just scroll through your products and click on when you want to update. The process is the same for any item. Once you're inside the product details, look for the section labeled Shipping. Depending on your theme and settings, it might be farther down the page, so just scroll until you spot it. This is the spot where Shopify keeps all shipping-related info for that product. One key field here is product weight. This is where you need to put in how much your product actually weighs. Take a moment to weigh your item with a kitchen scale or postal scale. If you haven't already, accuracy really matters because shipping carriers use this information to calculate your rates. For example, sending a pair of shoes will cost very differently than mailing a phone case, so having precise weights can save you from undercharging or overcharging your customers, and it can help you avoid surprise fees at the post office. Type the weight into the field and choose the correct unit: grams, kilograms, ounces, or pounds, whichever makes the most sense for the item. It's a small detail, but choosing the right unit ensures that the shipping cost is calculated properly. If you're ever unsure, most postal services have guides that show how different weights convert, so don't hesitate to look it up. Now, this next part often gets overlooked, but it can make a real difference, especially if you ship a variety of items. You can add a package type to your product. Click Add Package or look for the package options in the shipping section. Here you'll see choices like box, envelope, or soft package. Select the type that matches what you usually use. Think about what provides the most protection or what keeps shipping costs down. For instance, jewelry might go in a small envelope, while electronics usually need a sturdy box. After you've chosen your package type, there's space to enter the package's length, width, and height. Be as exact as you can, since these dimensions, just like weight, are used by shipping calculators. For example, a lightweight item in a huge box will sometimes cost more to ship because of dimensional weight, so accuracy helps keep everything fair. You'll also see another field for package weight. This is for when your packaging adds significant heft, say if you use heavy cardboard or bubble wrap. If your package is heavy, just type in the actual weight and select the right unit. Almost done. Give your package a name that makes sense to you, like small box or padded envelope. This just helps you stay organized, especially if you reuse certain packages over and over. When you're sure everything looks good, click Add Package. That saves your details and Shopify will use them for future orders. And that's it. You've now set up weights and packages for your products, which means your customers get accurate shipping costs and your fulfillment process is streamlined. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and hit like, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments, especially if you run into any tricky situations with weights or package sizes. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical Shopify tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy selling.